Hello, my artists! Today we're making something spooky and super fun. It's a Halloween folding surprise. Let's start. Take a sheet of paper, fold it in half, and then fold it again, just like this. Awesome! Now grab your pencil or marker and draw a Halloween pumpkin. But wait, our pumpkin needs a face. Let's give it spooky eyes. A triangle nose. And a big creepy smile with sharp teeth. It's starting to look really spooky now. Time to color it bright orange. It's starting to look really spooky now. And don't forget to color the stem green on top. Nice job! Now open your paper. See that white space in the middle? Let's draw a bat there. Color it first with orange. And then add black to make it dark and mysterious. You can even draw some webs to make it extra spooky. Now let's close and open it again to see the magic. Wow, how cute and spooky is that? Happy Halloween, everyone! See you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing and keep smiling.